Product description: 1. Perfect moisturizing for your skin. Nano water mist, better care for your face, body, hair, etc. Improve skin allergy, moisturizing, and calm your skin. 2. Convenient to carry. The potable moisturizing sprayer is in a small size and lightweight that is easy to carry. You can put it on your bag or pocket to anywhere you want and moisturize your face at any time. 3. Calm your skin fastly. It can help to recover your face in a short time after you have exposed to the sunshine all day. 4. Easy to charge. It do not need any batteries and chargers via micro USB port. Remove the base and you can see the port you can charge to your PC, power bank, and AC adapter. 5. Multipurpose use. You can use it as a beauty instrument as well as a power bank. Remove the base of the mist sprayer. Can find a USB port that help to charge your phone when it is out of battery. It also has a flashlight and signal indicator that help you lighting and ask for help in the darkness. Packing: 1 moisturizing sprayer, 1 USB cable, 1 user manual detachable water tank, 2 5 ml water, which is enough to meet the skin replenishment needs and avoid the trouble of adding water too often. It is easier to wash and convenient to add water. Slidable cover: just sliding the cover lightly, the spray nozzle will immediately emit the nanometer particles. Convenient and easy to use. Detachable base: remove the holder and you will see the micro USB port located on the bottom. It can charge to your phone. Flashlight and signal indicator: the base of the sprayer has a flashlight indicator that can bright the darkness and can as a signal indicator when you need help. Multifunctional feature: moisturizing your face, body, hair, and reducing skin wrinkles. It can also help to whiten your face. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.